Hey fam, it's Linda Word. So I am coming on to show you the install of this beautiful Indonesian raw wavy hair. I love the texture of Indonesian hair. I don't even know how to explain it. It's thicker than Indian hair, not as thick as Cambodian hair, but it kind of reminds me of the Cambodian hair when it comes to the curls, because it does hold a curl wonderfully well. But I don't know, I just love this hair, y'all. But let me show you the bag. So I put some hot curls in it, and then I pin curled it. That was Sunday. Well, it's still Sunday. It's 10 o'clock at night, but I did this Sunday evening. But no, I did that Saturday. Sorry, yeah, I did that Saturday. But yeah, I love this hair. And I have, I want to say, 3 Indonesian wigs. And this one was my first one. This one I purchased from Mahogany Textures, September 15th of 2019. Which, by the way, Mahogany Textures don't have their website up anymore. I don't know what's up with that. But I got a lot of hair from them. I purchased a lot of hair from them. And I was kind of looking at trying to get me some more Indonesian hair. And yeah, their website's not a go figure. But yeah, those times are hard for everyone. But yeah, while she was on the mannequin head, I kind of did me a little bitty baby hairs, and I used some Got to Be gel on it just to kind of slick them down. I will say that I finally finished all of my Galaxy Girls glue. So happy for that. Big announcement. Let me say this. I am also using a ring light. My cousin, bless her heart, recently found out that I do videos, and so she was checking out some of my videos, especially like all the home improvement stuff that I've been doing. So she was checking out she was just extremely supportive, and she goes, "Hey, I can barely see what you're doing, so I'm gonna gift you a ring light." And I was like, "Okay, thanks, sis." So I got the ring light yesterday, and I'm using it right now. And yeah, it was something I looked into and just never did it, because I have little desk lamps that I use. But she's right. If I'm doing something in another part of the house, especially the whole kitchen remodel, my kitchen's small and dark, so it was kind of hard to see. But yeah, I was so excited when she told me that. So thank you, cuz. But yeah, this is the ring light that she gifted me that I will be using for my videos. Alright, so here's the hair. I will say one thing about the Erica J Hold Me Down. I don't like it. Only because I've been using this, and it's 100-degree weather here in Texas. And I have been sweating up a storm, cleaning out the garage, doing work like that. And when I sweat, it lifts right up. And when it lifts up, it turns white and gummy. And then I kind of got to like tie it back down. When it dries, it's fine. Okay, when it dries back up, it's fine. But in the moment, don't be around nobody, because it's going to look pretty bad. So yeah, it'll get all white all around there. So I guess I'm gonna have to start putting on 5 layers just to get rid of this real quick. Yeah, this is really more of a winter glue.